This is one of the smaller giants I see. This is like Terrafin. They have the same catchphrase, and look at his picture. He's even got gloves like Wolverine now. He's different. He's different looking now. Look. Look, a Series 2 trigger happy on the back. You can play in the Plus. Play on your online, play in the console, or play in the Go. Terrafin, Flash Week, Bash, Prison Break. Also works in Skylander's universe. I can actually try this out. I might not do a video of it. I'm on the web camera. It goes to the Giants game. It works with Skylander Spyro's Adventure and Skylander's Giants. That's what it works with. Did you know? Notice anything? It says activated and look at this picture. Whack! 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 Yay! Back them better than ever. Wow, new Wow Pow. Increase level cap to 15. Then increase the level to 15. This is my first Skylander Giant Series 2 Skylander. No! I'll open it. As much as I like to open it. Wow. Look. I ripped the whole thing off. Now I don't have to just tear it off. Hey! Hey! Oh. This is just something that you comes with everything that I don't care about. 2 minutes, 4 minutes. Oh, this goes with peace. I do it as a card is a little bit bent when I took it out, but peace. And then here's just stickers and web codes. Peace. I'm gonna throw out my trash now. Here's the figure Series 2 Terrafin. He looks like Wolverine in a way, kind of like in a way. Wolverine. When you look at his head, it's the same. Like that from last year. I know everything was the same from last year. No, I did not know him having these things, but he can stab my finger! They're even powerful that they can stab my fingers! No. It's like, I can stab your fingers! That's funny. That's just a joke I made up. This does not go in the collection. This is the Series 2 Terrafin card. Look. 80% strength, 100% defense, 30% agility, speed, 60% luck. Here are the web code. This is how you can get on the Skylander Spyro's universe game. I don't play on the universe. I used to, but here's a sticker for it. You can keep the universe webcode as a sticker. Let me hang it on my wall. Do you want to check if I hang it on my wall or not? hanging it on the wall. There, I hang it on my wall.